With fast food on every corner, it's easy to slip into those unhealthy habits. I've been there too. But not tonight. We're breaking that cycle with this lemon garlic salmon. It's quick, fresh, and absolutely packed with flavor. Loaded with omega-3s for heart and brain health, high in protein, low in calories, and full of nutrients your family actually needs. Healthy never tasted this good. Let's get cooking. Let's start by making our garlic butter. Melt the butter, then add a splash of olive oil. That keeps it from browning. Once it's melted, stir in the garlic and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and let it all infuse together. Alright, pasta time! Season your water with a good amount of garlic salt. This is where flavor starts. Bring it to a boil, add your pasta, and cook it until it's perfectly tender. Now on to the salmon. Add a drizzle of oil to your pan, then lay in the fillet skin side down. Let them cook until they turn beautifully golden brown. After flipping the fillets, add in the lemon garlic butter. This is where all the magic happens. Let it melt and coat the salmon, and I like to add a little smoked paprika for that warm, smoky depth of flavor. Get your leftover garlic butter and stir it into the pasta. This is too good to let go to waste. Give it a good seasoning. This is where I like to use my signature blend of spices to pull all those flavors together. Don't forget that final squeeze of lemon juice. That little touch makes all the difference. This salmon is packed with nutrients and flavor. That's a combo you just can't top. Now I want to know your favorite healthy dinner. Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if this video inspired you to skip the drive-thru tonight, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss what's cooking.